Hello everyone, welcome back to the Random Car Life. I'm going to be working on the Tundra today. Got some new headlights for it. These headlights look horrible, which I'll show you. I got some from Acon, which I believe was, I got it through Walmart. But these are pretty nice headlights. They have daytime running lights, and they're definitely better than the '07 Tundra's original headlights. And as you'll see, these aren't in great shape, so gotta go. I just want to say thank you to everyone that's been subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. Keep on subscribing, liking, commenting. All that's great. I appreciate you all. So yeah, here we go. Alright, so these are my headlights that are currently on the truck. As you can see, they are not very clear. I've even tried cleaning them up, but I think it's all inside. So here's what I'm going to do. I'll show you the new headlights here in a second, but just so you get an idea of what's going on, this didn't come with daytime running lights. So in order to make these work, I have two wires on the back of the new headlights that I have to adapt to the truck. So in order to make these work, I got this on Amazon. Then it has two ends, which will go to this side, the driver's side, and then this one's going to go on the passenger side. So I just have to route it through. I'll figure that out in a few minutes, but I just want to show you how I'm going to make this work. So if you look here on the cover, it's probably going to be hard to see, but this one here is the ignition, 10 amp. So it's going to be this one right here. So I'm basically going to pull that out, plug this in here, and then so every time I turn the truck on, it's going to automatically turn on the LED daytime running lights. And you could go ahead and put them on your turn signal. The only thing is you would have to do a little bit extra to make that work, and I'm not really interested in doing that with my truck. But yeah, you would have to get a few more parts to make that work. And like I said, I'm not doing it with mine, so we're going to skip that section. So let me take you over and show you the new lights. Alright, so here's my handy dandy yard workbench here. And these are the new lights that are going in, and that's going to be the daytime running light that's going there. And so if you see, everything else will plug in and you just transfer over, but with the daytime running lights I've got to connect these. So I'm going to put some ends on here so that way I can connect it to the wire that I got in through Amazon, which I will put in the description of the video, so that way you can also find that. And it's pretty cool, cheap. I think it was like $9 or $10 for that. So yeah, here we go. I'll go ahead and show you how to get everything disconnected and put in. Alright, so I'm not going to show you like every single detail. Try to keep this kind of short. But basically on these you just have this one here you got to take out, which you can do Phillips, or I'm not sure the size. I'll check the size on that. But you can do a Phillips on it. And take this one off. And then you have to take this section out here. So how you're going to have to do that is pop this. Let's see if we can pop these without them breaking. They are old. Oh, there goes one. Just hold on to those so you don't lose them. And pop this one out. There we go. Now right here, you just have to come over here. And there's your little break in between. So you just want to get this pried, I believe. Let's see if we can get it pried off. I'm going to have to stick this in. It should be popping apart here. Okay, there's one part. if I can pull it. It's kind of hard to do this with the camera. See, I got one apart. Let's see if I can get this one. Actually, I got two little notches here, it looks like. That is tough to get that part out. Alright. I know it's here somewhere. There we go. As you can see, that was a little, put a little bit of force on that. And now, just got to get that. And I think, let me see. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's all the bolts. So we just got that bolt, this bolt, and this bolt. And it'll be the same on the other side. So I'm not going to bore you guys with all that. Put this up somewhere. Alright. So alright, I'm going to get these off. These three. Pull this out. And basically once you get this out, you're going to want to transfer whatever you transfer to your new headlights. Most of this is going to go back in, except for the high and low beams on the new ones, because they're different. So all the wiring harnesses that come with the truck will plug in, so it is plug and play. So yep, I'll get this one in and show you guys how it all looks. Alright, so real quick, 10 millimeter. Use 10 millimeter here, because when you get here, you gotta use it. So, alright, we'll be back right after this. Alright, so pulled this one out. Right under here, you're gonna have to pull up some because it kind of clips in just a little bit on here and then pulls out. So yeah, basically I need to transfer this over to the new one, which I'll just pull it straight out, put the light in, or the light's already in it, but that, just put that in. To pull this out, the new ones will connect here to that plug. Transfer this one over to the new one, the whole part, the whole assembly there with the bulb. Take this one, unplug it, plug it into the new one, and that is basically it. So yeah, next thing should be everything will be plugged in, and you'll see it on. Alright, I just want to show you guys the difference. So that's what the new one looks like on the truck. Come over here, that's the old one. So big difference. Definitely nice looking. Alright, I'm going to show you all how I kind of routed it. I just ran the wire through here, up here, zip tied it through there, ran it over, zip tied it right there. Then I ended up taking the ground on this side, putting a little hoop fitting, put it underneath here to the body, and then on this side, and I'm still wrapping the wires up, but I just want to get this before it's dark and show you all. So I went ahead and ran the ground off of this side right directly here to the battery, and I did the, you'll see that's the little circle just to put around the bolt. So I did that there and did that right here. It's kind of hidden, but you can see it runs up right here, so that way I can keep it close. And then you'll see I put this on here, so that way I can disconnect it if I ever have to take the light out. I did that same thing right here, and then same thing right there. That way if I ever have to take the light out, it won't be hard. I just pull them apart. But I'm gonna get these taped up, put everything in, I'll get it fired up and show you. All right, so there it is. Man, I really like these. They came out nice. Now that's just the daytime running lights. I'll go ahead and switch it to you know, like the regular daytime running lights look, well, you know, option that you have normally with your regular lights. So let me switch over to that and I'll be right back. So here's that with the amber lights on. You can see the little light on the side. Pretty cool. Let's see if we can get over here. Man, that's so much better. Alright, let me get the headlights on. I'll be right back. Alright, so there's the headlights on. I gotta clean them since I haven't just wrapped it up. So there's the headlights. I'm not gonna turn the high beams on. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. That's the headlights. This is gonna be a lot better at night than what I'm used to. So that's her. That's what she looks like afterwards. Came out really good. These things really didn't cost much. I'll put a link in the description for everything. Yeah, really sweet. So really appreciate everything. If you guys haven't subscribed, I know this is something new to the channel. I don't really have much on the Tundra most of the time, but as I get parts for it, it's going to be on the channel. Like I said, I appreciate y'all. I'll have some more stuff coming out with the CC eventually. But this was a must, something I had to get done. So thank y'all. Please subscribe if you haven't. Like, comment if you have any more questions. Hopefully I covered everything. Try not to keep it too long. But yeah, thank you. Peace.